Let's make strawberries and cream overnight oats. You will need yogurt, strawberries, maple syrup, whole grain oats, a lemon, soy milk, vanilla essence, chia seeds, and optional chocolate chips. First, make the oats in a small bowl. Add 60 grams of rolled oats, 1/3 of a cup of soy milk, 2 teaspoons of yogurt, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, and an optional tablespoon of chocolate chips. Stir to combine. Set aside while we make the strawberry cream. To another small bowl, add 15 strawberries, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Defrost in the microwave. Transfer into a blender. Blitz until smooth. Prepare your serving dish. Begin with a layer of strawberry cream. Then add a layer of oats. Followed by another layer of strawberry cream, and then oats, and so on, repeating until your serving dish is full. The last step is to place the oats in the fridge overnight. And here it is, the finished product. A quick and easy on-the-go breakfast.